If you're here to check out whether this Gua Sha device really works for beautifying your skin, making you look younger, making you look more beautiful, you're in the wrong place. Works well spreading lotion over your face as well as spreading butter over your toast, but that's not what I'm here for. I'm gonna check out whether this can save your hands if you like to massage your own neck, your shoulder, your arms, your hands. Today I'm reviewing this massage tool. This one is called Gua Sha Natural Massage Tool. This is what it looks like. This is a little bit small compared to the one that my mom used when I was little. To utilize it, you can just hold it like this, kind of like a knife. Weight is pretty good. Very easy to hold. Price for this particular one is $6.99 on Amazon. However, they do have other color options, the green and the pink, that are $5.99. In physical therapy, we use massage tools to protect our hands. Now, the one that physical therapists typically use is made of metal, and it's much longer, kind of like a butter knife length. However, the edge is similar. There's a round edge and there is a little pointier edge that you can use to manipulate the fascia. So today I'm going to test this out just to compare how it feels to when I use this to massage muscles. Now, when I massage muscles, I like to use my hand so I can feel where the knot is. And then once I feel it, I try to start to mobilize the area and try to release the tension in that area. So suppose that I'm mobilizing my lateral epicondyle here, where typically there's tension for a condition known as tennis elbow. I would like to massage like this. Kind of compared to if I use the edge tool. And what I'm looking for is the feel on the skin as well as feel on the hand that I am holding the massage tool. So actually it feels very gentle on the skin. Because of its light weight, it's not straining for my thumb. In fact, it strains a little less. To definitely use this instead of my bare hand to massage conditions such as tennis elbow, golfer's elbow, neck and shoulder tightness. Let's talk about the pros and cons. Now, pros: it's very sturdy, lightweight, easy to hold, it's a good grip. Now the cons, really isn't any cons. And do the pros outweigh the cons? Yes. Now, who should use this type of product? I would recommend it if you're a manual therapist, if you work with muscles, fascia, and if you're concerned about the price, this is a very good cheap alternative. If you want to massage yourself at home and you have some type of finger pain, especially on the tips of your fingers, very common for people who do a lot of massaging, we start to get pain in the tips of the fingers. You can consider using this type of edge tool so it puts less pressure on your finger joints and your fingertips. You can also use this the way it was created to do, which is to treat heat exhaustion. If you have a headache from getting dehydrated, but not to the point where you're losing consciousness and you ended up in the hospital, you're able to get around, you're able to do things, but you'd have this severe headache from getting dehydrated. What my mom used to do when we were in Taiwan is that she will get a Gua Sha tool, and she would mobilize her neck and upper trapezius region until it starts to redden. Once it starts to redden, that's when you stop doing the massaging or doing the Gua Sha. That is supposed to get rid of the headache from heat exhaustion. I never did this a lot because I moved to the States when I was pretty young. My mom had been lived in Taiwan for most of her life, so she did that quite a bit for herself. It's a very popular thing to do among people of her generation, to do this at home for themselves, especially in the summer when it's very hot, very humid. 你从镜头看得出来有红的吗？
可以看得到，关掉。